Well, students, welcome back to mathematics class. Today I would like to discuss with you some more problems related to surface areas and volumes. Here we have problem number 8. So, a right circular cone of height 30 cm is cut and removed by a plane parallel to its base from the vertex if the volume of a smaller cone obtained is 1 by 27 of the volume of the given cone. Calculate the height of the remaining part of the cone. Okay, calculate the height of the remaining part of the cone. See here what they are given: a right circular cone of height 30 centimeter. Okay, so a right circular cone of height it is, they are given 30 centimeter and removed by a plane parallel to its base. Okay, this they parallel to its base, we are removed this one. Okay, from the vertex if the volume of a smaller cone, okay, whatever the smaller cone is there, is obtained 1 by 27 of the volume of the given cone. So given cone means a, so this one bigger cone. Okay, so this total bigger cone is what? Given cone. Okay, calculate the height of the remaining part of the cone. Okay, this a b c, this we need to calculate. Okay, so this we need to calculate. For that they are given h is equal to, capital H is equal to how much given? 30 centimeter. Okay, so capital H is equal to 30 centimeter already they are given. Now we can go for the what here in this. Okay, a b c, we have two triangles in. Now just you can take in triangle a b c, a b c, and one more triangle we have APQ, APQ. In this both triangles, see, just you can see here angle ACQ, ACQ and angle AQP, angle AQP, both are equal. Why both are equal? Means both are what here? Corresponding angles. Now next, angle ABC is equal to angle APQ. Why these are equal? Means both are what? Equal to 90 degree. So by angle criteria we can say these two triangles. Which are the two triangle? Triangle ABC is similar to the triangle APQ. Both are what? A triangle ABC is similar to the triangle APQ. Once the triangles are similar, we know it very well, its sides are what? Proportional. Okay, so now here we can say AB by AP. Okay, this equal to, we have next BC by PQ, one more we have, it is AC by AQ. Okay, now substitute the values. So this becomes, this implies, just we have AB. So AB is nothing but small h we have here. Okay, AP. So AP is nothing but capital H we have here. Now BC. See here, BC we have R1 and PQ we have R2. Okay, so this we don't need. So H by H is equal to small h by capital H is equal to R1 by R2. Okay, now once we got, you can take this one, equation number 1. Once you this equation number 1 got, now go for the what? Calculation of values. So volume of smaller cone, volume of smaller cone is equal to 1 by 27 of volume of, okay, bigger cone, volume of bigger cone. Okay, volume of smaller cone is equal to 1 by 27 of the what here? Volume of bigger cone. So volume of cone formula, what we have? 1 by 3 pi R1 square H, pi R1 square H. Now this equal to 1 by 27, 1 by 27 volume of bigger cone. So again it is 1 by 3, this is into 1 by 3 into pi R2 square into H. Okay, now so this is a capital H, capital H. Okay, now see here, this pi and pi gets cancelled because both are what here? Same quantity, means same quantity in equal to side, left and right side will be what? Cancelled. Okay, now here is there any again cancellations? Yes, definitely we can cancel here. 1 by 3 and 1 by 3 also, because both are again same. Okay. Now remaining is what? R1 square into H is equal to 1 by 27 into R2 square into capital H. This quantity is remaining here. Okay. Now what you need to do means this R2 square into H you can bring this side. So once you brought means what will be happens, it is R1 square into H by it is R2 square into capital H is equal to 1 by 27. Okay. So we'll get R1 square into H and this is R2 square into capital H. But from equation 1 R1 by R2, okay, R1 by R2 we have H by H. Can we have to substitute here? Yes, exactly. So from the equation 1 R1 is equal to what? H, R2 is H. Okay. So now I'll substitute here H square by capital H square. Again it is small h by capital H. Okay. This is into this equal to 1 by 27. So once you have substituted this one, so let me rub here. I'll rub this one. Okay. So okay, I'll rub. So this will also rub. Now this we got. Now H square into H. So this will get H cube and this is H square into capital H. So H cube. Okay. So I'll write better. I'll write this one. H by H into whole cube. Okay. Now is equal to 1 by it is 27. Now this implies we have this cube you can transfer that side. So what will be happens, it is H by H is equal to 1 by it is okay whole cube root of 27. Okay. 3 into 3 is 9, 9 into 3 is 27. Okay. We know it very well. So this becomes H by H is equal to, now this is 1 by, we will get 3. Okay. 1 cube is 1 itself, 1 by 3 will get. Now this cross multiply. Okay. Now this is 3 into H and capital H. So capital H already we have 30 centimeters. So 3H is equal to 30. So now H is equal to how much? It is 10 centimeter. H is equal to 10 centimeter. Small h, this is what? 10 centimeter. So what we need to calculate? Calculate the height of the remaining part of the cone. Okay, remaining part of the cone we need to calculate. So we know it very well. So remaining part, how we can calculate? So we have this and we have this. We need to calculate BP. Okay. So now h minus of small h. So it is 30 minus of 10 is equal to 20 centimeter. Okay. So height of the what? Remaining part of the what? This one will get here 20 centimeter. Okay. So I hope you understood very well. Okay. So height of the remaining part we can get here 20 centimeter. So this is what the problem here. This is very simple. If this type of problem came, is just what you need to do means take the what here, two triangles you can first of all consider, then go for the what? Corresponding angles will always here equal, then 90 degree you will get, then go for the what? To show that the triangles are what? Similar. Once it triangles are similar means go for the what? Sides are proportional. So write that one, then substitute all the values and what the question is there, this you can take if the value whatever things, value of the what here they are given cone. Okay. So sometimes cylinder, anything whatever they are given means just you can take and substitute all the values here, you will get your desired answer. Okay. I hope you understood very well. Well students, now we have here next problem. So problem number 9, a cone having its base radius 12 centimeter and height 20 centimeter. If the top of this cone is cut into form a small cone of base radius 3 centimeter is removed, then the remaining part of solid cone becomes a frustum. Okay. Calculate the value of frustum. Calculate the value of frustum. See, the cone having its base radius 12 centimeter. So this is one cone here, its base radius is 12 centimeter they are given, and height, total height capital H is 20 centimeter. If the top of this cone, is removed, okay, from a small cone of base radius is 3 centimeter, with a 3 centimeter radius, this one is removed, okay, is removed, then the remaining part of the solids, the remaining part is only this much, okay, then the remaining part of the solid becomes a frustum. This is a frustum. So calculate the volume of frustum. We need to calculate the volume of frustum. So we have this, we know it very well. The volume of the frustum formula is what? 1 by 3 pi h r1 square plus of r2 square plus r1 into r2, okay. So there we have, but can we have the frustum? Here we have, this one is the frustum, okay, but can we have this height? We don't have. We need to calculate this one. To calculate this one, we need to go for again the last problem we solved like this, okay, in a triangle. So again triangle ABC and triangle ADE, triangle ADE, in these both triangles. So again angle, we can say ACB is equal to angle AED, angle AED, okay, ACB is equal to angle AED. Now here angle ABC is equal to angle ADE. You know it very well why these are equal. So this is a corresponding angles, this is a 90 degree each. Now triangle ABC is similar to the triangle ADE. Once the triangles are similar means sides are proportional. So AB by, we need AD, so this BC by, again it is DE, okay, enough for us. AB by AD and BC by DE. Now AB, how much we have? It is H, okay, we are taken small h. AD we have capital H. So now BC we have 3 centimeter and DE we have 12 centimeter. Capital H I'll take how much they are given? 20, okay. So now I'll calculate this one. So once I calculated this one, this is 3 ones are 3, 4s are, okay. Now it is H by 20 is equal to, now this is 1 by 4, okay. So now H is equal to how much? Then it is 5. So small h is equal to, we'll say this is a 5 centimeter, okay. So now once we got this small h, so we need to calculate what here, okay. So BD we need here. So BD, how we can find? Therefore BD is equal to, okay, so total it is AD minus of AB. So now BD, see AD how much we have? AD is total 20 centimeter. Now minus AB we have 5. So this is 15 centimeter. BD is equal to 15 centimeter. We got now this. This is what height of the frustum. Now volume of frustum formula. So this becomes 1 by 3 pi h into bracket of R1 square plus of R2 square plus of R1 into R2, okay. Now so 1 by 3 as it is here, pi you can keep again, pi is again here as it is h. So h how much we have? It is 15, okay. Now into bracket of R1. So R1 how much we have? 3. 3 square is 9 plus R2 we have 144. R2 because we have 12, 144 plus of R1 into R2, okay. R1 we have 3 into 12. So how much it is? We can say 12 into 3. So 12 into 24, 36. So we'll get this one is 36, okay. And now this is 1 by 3 as it is pi. This is what I'll be doing is 3 ones are 3, 5s are, okay. So 3 5s are is 15. So this is 5h, okay. Now this is we have, okay, 9 for 36, 144 is 180, 189. Total is 189, okay. Now next, so 5 you can keep as it is. Now this is will get 22 by 7 into bracket of 189. So check it now. Is it 189, 36? Okay. 36, 6 and 4, 14. Okay, 1 will come. It is 100 and let me check if it is okay, 189 is the correct. Okay, now this we have 7 ones are 7 twos will come here. Okay, so 7 twos is 14, so 4 is remaining, so it is 49, so 7 it is. Okay, now this becomes, we can say 5 into 22 into again 27. Okay, so if you multiplied, what you will get here, just you can see 5 into 22. So 5 into 22, how much you will get? 22, 5. 5 to the 10. So this is 5 to the 10, 111, 110. Okay, this is 110, and we have again 27. This is into 7 0 0 7 1 7 7 1 7. Okay, 1 is remaining, 2 0 2 1 2 2 1 2. Okay, so 0 7, this is 9 2. Okay, 2970. So we'll get total answer is 2970 centimeter cube. Okay, so this is what here final answer, and we need to calculate the volume of frustum, and the volume of the frustum is 2970 centimeter cube. So dear students, I hope you understood this problem very well. Nothing is there in this problem, very simple it is. First you can take the two triangles, then you can get the what here. First of all, triangles are similar. So once you put the triangles are similar, means go for the writing of the what, its proportional sides, then substitute the values here, then you can, what you need, that you can get it here. So h is equal to 5 I got here. Now again substitute that value, you will get what desired, what you need, that value, desired value. So again what the question they ask, just write that formula and substitute all the values, you will get your desired answer, and I hope you understood this one. Well students, now we have the next problem. A hemispherical vessel of radius 14 cm is fully filled with sand. This sand is poured on a level ground. The heap of sand forms a cone shape of height 7 cm. Calculate the area of ground occupied by the circular base of the heap of the sand. Okay, area we need to calculate here. Okay, how much area the what heap of the okay base is occupied. Okay, this place. So hemispherical vessel of radius, they are given hemispherical vessel of radius 14 cm is fully filled with a sand. This is filled with what? Sand. So now volume they are given here. So this equal to, we have volume of hemisphere is equal to, now it is to form the what here, a level ground cone shaped. Okay, volume of cone. So what we have, volume of hemisphere, we know it very well, it is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Now this is volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Okay, so now this implies we have 2 by 3 keep as it is, pi we have here. Okay, r cube. Now we know it very well. Okay, area is equal to, area so is equal to we have A is equal to pi r square. Okay, pi r square, area is equal to what, pi r square we have. Next, see, once we have this one 2 by 3 pi r cube, 1 by 3 it is A into h. Why means area is nothing but what, we need to calculate this only. So pi r square is nothing but what, A. So A into h. Now we substitute the values here. Okay, so once we will be substitute the values, this is 2 by 3 into, this is 22 by 7 into r cube. So r how much given, radius of the spherical vessel is 14, 14 into 14 into 14. Okay, is equal to 1 by 3 into A into h. Height of the cone they are given 7. Okay, now next step is do one thing, this 1 by 3 a you can keep this side and remaining part you can take it, otherwise this is okay 7 1s are 7 2s are okay. Now remaining part it is 2 by 3 into 22 by 7, so 7 is cancelled here, only 22 into 14 into 14, so into 2 is equal to, it is 1 by 3 into a into 7, okay. Now this 3 and 7 will take this side, so what will be happens, it is once we are taken means it is 2 by 3 into 3, okay. This 3 will come this side upside, okay. Denominator becomes this side means it is numerator, okay. Now here numerator is there, it will go for denominator. Now so into 22 by 7, because this 7 will come this side, into 14 into 14, okay, into again 2, so remaining only this side is a, so let me write correctly, it is a only remaining. Now these three get cancels here, okay. So remaining we have, this is 7 1s are 7, again 2s are remaining. Now this is this will get here, okay. So what will we do means here, now will be multiply this one, 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8, so this is 8 into 22 into 14 is equal to a, okay. 2 into 2 is will get 4, 4 into 2 is this is 8, now 22 is remaining, 14 is remaining here, okay. So now how much will get, just you can see, will be multiply 1 by 1. So here 22 and 14 first will be multiply, 4 into 2 it is 8, to 2 is 8, okay. Now 1 into 2 2, 1 into 2 2, so this is 8 and 8 2 it is 10, so 3, okay, into again we need to multiply into 8, okay. So now 8 into 8 is 64, 6 is remaining here, 8 into 8 is 64, 8 0 0 and we have 6, this 6 will come, so 8 into 3 is 24. Now so area A is equal to 2464 centimeter square, okay. So this is what the required area, okay, which is occupied by the what, that cone shaped base, okay. A is equal to 2464 centimeter square, okay. So this question I hope you understood very well. A spherical vessel of radius, okay, spherical vessel is there and radius they are given, okay, and it is fully filled with what, we can say sand, and it is poured on a level ground. Poured means just it is what, dumped there and level ground. The heap of a sand forms a cone, okay. The heap of the sand will be forms what, it is in the shape of cone, okay. Height 7 centimeter, cone height they are given 7 centimeter. Calculate the area of ground. So on the ground it is what, already poured, then the area of the what, that whatever the poured portion is there, that we need to calculate, and this is A is equal to 2464 centimeter square. I hope you understood.